Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. In this video, we're going to show CubiCasa's photo editing feature, and this is the second time that I've done photo editing with CubiCasa, and so we're going to try a couple new things that they have that I didn't explore on the first upload. So we've already done a shoot of a house, or we've done a scan and a shoot actually of this house, and so I'm going to click on the plus for the photo edit, and we're going to do some enhancements that we didn't do on the first one. So we did, I think, wispy clouds. I'm going to do puffy clouds on this one. We are going to, I think there might be a fireplace. I'm actually not sure if there's a fireplace. So we're just going to select Ember just in case. Window pulls, I think we did natural last time. I'm going to do exposed. Grass greening, we'll do a grass enhancement. We will put the front of house on the screen if there's a TV. And brightness we'll do boost, because I think last time we did match input. So now I'll hit continue, and I have the images. There's 235 images that are bracketed at 5 brackets each. So it's just doing the previews, and I'm going to open up to show the upload when it starts. So you can see that it uploads, or it generates the previews pretty quickly. And here we have it, 235 photos to upload, 47 groups. They are 5 brackets each. So we'll hit continue. We're going to do the 12-hour standard is free. First 25 are included in this package. Additional 22 photos are $16.50, but because I'm on a free trial that CubiCasa extended to me, I'm not going to end up paying for this. So thank you to CubiCasa for allowing me to try this out. We'll hit submit order, and it says please don't close your browser until the upload's complete. I'll hit OK, and I will show that we have some decent uploads here. Move that out the way, and now we're uploading, so I will stop the recording and come back once we have everything processed. Okay, everybody, we're back in front of CubiCasa's order history page, and our photos are ready, so let's check them out. These look good. Window pulls look good. They put the front of the house on the TV, which I requested. Yeah, look at all this detail outside. Looks good. And there you have it. So I would deliver these to the agent. I'm going to hit the download button, and we're going to not select the floor plan because we already did that. We're going to do print version of photo editing, and I'll hit the download. If you have any questions, comment them below. If you find this video useful, give it a thumbs up or share it, or both. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Thanks for watching.